Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting the stage. Make sure battery is above 20%, wipe the lens, and stabilize the phone. Open camera, go to More, then select Pro mode. This is the only path on many Vivo models. Once in Pro, enable the grid for composition and RAW for maximum data. You do this because manual controls matter only when the image information is preserved. RAW keeps highlights and shadow detail for later adjustments. You now control light and sharpness. Lower ISO to 100/400 in daylight to reduce noise, and raise it in dim scenes. Next, pick a shutter speed that matches motion, around 1/125 for handheld stills, slower only with a tripod. Use the AF/MF toggle to switch to manual focus when precise focus is needed, and remember to lock exposure separately once framed. These adjustments let you trade sensitivity. Finish by setting white balance manually to match light. Choose tungsten, daylight, or dial the K value for accuracy. Compose using the grid. If highlights clip, lower exposure compensation or shutter speed and retake. Check the histogram for clipped shadows or highlights and shoot RAW so you can recover detail later. If images look off, tweak WB or ISO and shoot again. Troubleshooting tip. If focus hunts, switch to manual focus and slowly nudge until sharp, then lock before shooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.